How to use UHC UCard on Amazon. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to your application Amazon. Make sure you are using the updated version. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now, in order for you to use the card, what you need to do is, first of all, move into any of the product that you want to purchase. Let me select one headphone. Choose the color, and if you scroll down, you'll see the option of Add to Cart. If you do not have that option, then it might be because of the location that you're in, and Amazon might not be available in that region. But for you, if you have that option, then click on it, and then select the product that you want to purchase and click on Checkout at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you'll see the Payment Methods section. Over there, simply select Debit or Credit Card. Similar to your credit or debit card, you will need to enter the information of your UHC UCard. Enter your card number, expiration date, and many more. Once you have entered, tap on Confirm. If your card is valid, then it will be added to your Amazon account and then you'll be able to use it. So, that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.